In this video, I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and here get into ringtone. Now there you can select any of that ringtones. Now my ringtone is default and I can select any that I want. I can listen each of them, just tap on it and listen what it sounds like, and after that this ringtone is already set as my current ringtone because of that check mark here, and also I can set up there the vibration. I will left it by default. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.